proceed with my question. One, Mr. Wallo, you will recall during those heady days some two incidents. One is on the 14th of January, 2015. You led a team to Langata Primary School at the height of the controversy surrounding the alleged grabbing of its land by certain private developers or investors. You later addressed the media at the school compound, castigating these private developers, okay? And in fact, you are quoted to have said that these developers had hatched the plot to grab the land towards Christmas Day of the previous year and completed the fraudulent transaction within a matter of days through the connivance of the relevant state organs. What I want to know is if you still hold the view, very strong view that you held then, that primitive accumulation of wealth and grabbing of public property is something to be eschewed, something to be frowned upon. Two is on the 16th of July